Hello my viewers, today in this video I will show you how to create steel construction in Revit. But before get started, I would just like to ask you to like this tutorial, it will help me a lot. Okay, so let's get started. For this I am going to use the structural template. So click on the new and select the structural template from here. Just open that. So first we go in level 1 and now we create the grid. Create the vertical grid first. Take this peak line and give the offset 8000 mm. Okay, now we will create the horizontal grid. You can take the shortcut GR or you can select from here also. Name it as A. Now we select this peak line and give the offset 8000 mm. Okay, grid has been created. Now we go to any of these elevation and press some lever. For level we have to, you can use the shortcut key LL or you can click here and pick line and give the offset 4 meter, and below let's give 2.8 meter. Okay, name it as level 0. Okay, make it little bit down. Okay, level has been created. Now go to the level 1 and we will place some concrete wall over here. Okay, for that we have to go on structure, select the wall. Now we have to select the size of the wall. Suppose I am taking this generic 300 mm. Select this one rectangle and place the wall over here. You can make this height and from level 3 up to level 3. Now place the wall. Go in 3D. Make it shaded. Okay. So select the wall. And make it base level is 0 and top level is level 3. Okay, okay, now it's okay. Now go to level 1 and place the beam over here. Select, go in structure and click on the beam. Select the beam size. Suppose I am taking this larger one, and now you can place the beam here. Make it fine so you can be visible to you clearly. Okay, let's go in 3D and see how it's looking. Okay, now we place some column over here. Go in level 1 and select the column, select the column size. Let's select this one, and now we can place the column here. In this way you can place the column. Now go in 3D and see how it's okay. Now select all, go in filter, check none and select the structural column, apply, okay. Go in here property and base level is 0, make the top level 3, okay. Here you will see the beam is crossing this column. You will see here. Let's make inside the column. Let's make this beam inside the column. For that we have to select the column, here you will see core, click on the core. First we have to select this beam, then we can select the column. Now you will see beam has been placed inside this column, okay. In this way you can make here also. Select the beam first, then column, okay. Now it's good. After this go in level 1 and now place the beam system over here. So for that click on the beam system, here you can sketch the beam system, click on the sketch beam system, and now here you select the pick lines, just pick the line, pick this line, and now you can trim and extend corner. Click on trim and extend corner, and now you can make it like this. You just do, you can see how I am doing, and you just okay. In this way you can create the boundary line for beam system. So suppose you want to give this direction, boundary direction, this direction, beam direction, this side. For that you have to select the beam direction and click on here, okay. Now finish it. So here we have some notice, so you have to join this side. This is not joined, extend and trim and make it joined. Now finish it. Now we'll see beam system has been created. Go in 3D and see how it's look. You can see, okay. Let's go in first floor and now place some floor over here. For that you have to go on the floor, select the floor from here. Suppose I am selecting 116 mm concrete with 16 mm metal. Okay, just select the boundary, pick line, select this boundary, just select the boundary. Now just trim and extend. Okay, make the direction this side. For that we have to span direction, click and this side. Now finish the model. So here just select this one and now finish the model. Now go in 3D, we'll see the floor has been placed. Here you can see the beam is looking above the floor. For that we have to just go in south elevation and select this floor and make this floor little bit by arrow. You can make it, or you can give here the height offset, or by arrow you can adjust the. Suppose I am doing by arrow, you can see here. Now we go in 3D and see. Okay, everything is good. Now just go here and copy this floor to copy it and paste to second and third floor. Okay, make this concrete wall little bit above. So for that select SA, select all the wall and give some top offset 2 meter. Okay, now it's look good. From this side you can see its look, you can understand clearly. Now let's place some footing over here, column footing and wall footing also. For that go in level 1, or you can go in level 0, select the isolated footing, you can select the size. Suppose you want to place this one, you can select this one, or suppose I am selecting this one. And now just select this add at grid, or suppose you should just like place this footing over here. In this way you can place the footing. Make this wall footing also. Select this wall footing and click on the wall. The footing will be placed. Go in 3D and you can see column footing, and if you want to change the wall footing size, you can change also. Select the wall footing wall, select the wall footing wall and make it a little bit bigger. Okay, you can see in this way you can. Now you can see here make it line or make it wireframe shaded. You can see In this way you can create the construction, steel construction. This is all about steel construction. Okay, in this way you can create the steel structure construction in Revit. Okay, thank you for watching the video.